Manufacturing in 2026 is a highly competitive area. We're starting to get so much data from manufacturing, from our kind of assets in the field, whether it's Internet of Things kind of data, whether it's usage data or whatever. All of that data is starting to flood in, but what do we do with it? And the answer is that we should be using a lot of AI to inform and do kind of predictive maintenance on these assets, or really get ahead of when they should be disposed of, what's the optimum time for that, and the life cycle, because the industry is pushing us towards more kind of service orientated manufacturing, or outcome based manufacturing, as opposed to just giving the asset. And so we really need to be looking after these assets and finding the optimal time to kind of work with them and do that kind of preventive maintenance to really effectively sweat these assets. On top of that, that would help inform much better forecasting and kind of revenue planning, because we know when those things might need to be replaced, and therefore we can inform customers and kind of really help them plan further out, which helps obviously internal kind of sales forecasting and revenue management along the way. And then finally, I'd say the other big trend is channel evolution. We need to make sure that the partner portals are even better than they used to be, so that we can do fantastic self-service and all of those kind of things. But what we've also seen a trend towards is customers really wanting to know their own data. So if we've got these sensors on these assets and we know everything that's happening, the customers want that data too. So can we provide that data via API, via clean rooms, so that customers, you can monetize the data that you do have about these assets back to customers too. So that's manufacturing for 26.